So, we finally know the identity of Ireland's World Cup playoff semi-final opponents. Only Czechia stands between us and a place in the final against either Denmark or North Macedonia. The draw has been kind, however, ensuring we get to play that final at home in the Aviva if we can get past the Czechs first. First up is the semi-final on Thursday, March the 26th, potentially in the country's capital city of Prague. So if you're clambering to dust off the Jack Charlton era Italia 90 strip, or you want a reason to squeeze back into the Roy Keane era Opel fit, here are the details you must know before jetting off. Unsurprisingly, plane ticket prices have skyrocketed since the announcement of Ireland's opponents in the semi, with prices having as much as tripled on some websites. Also unsurprising is that many of the available flights in and around the fixture date have already sold out at both Ryanair and Aer Lingus. Among the lowest prices you can expect to pay are €363 if booked through eDreams via the Skyscanner website. And increasing in price are tickets directly from Ryanair for just over €600, departing Dublin the day before the game. Prague's primary airport, Václav Havel Airport, requires a two-step bus-to-metro connection to reach the city centre. A 90-minute ticket can be purchased prior to boarding the trolleybus for the equivalent of €1.65, which will last you your journey on the metro into the city. And important to note is that Czechia uses the Czech koruna as its currency, not the euro. Travel is generally cheap across Prague's transport network, consisting of trams, buses and a metro. 2 nights will set you back €146 on booking.com at the A1 Royal Plaza, 20 minutes from the presumed venue for the match, the Fortuna Arena. The Drunken Monkey Hostel, also in the city centre, is an affordable €31 for 2 nights for one adult. Middle-of-the-road Airbnb prices include places for €148, €169 and €181 for the 2 nights. Fans will need to be aware that the venue for the semi-final in Prague is liable to change depending on the stadium availability, among other local factors on that date. The FAI will receive a 5% ticket allocation for travelling fans, proportionate to the capacity of the home stadium. The Fortuna Arena holds just over 19,000, meaning Ireland fans will be relatively few and far between inside the stadium. However, the best chance fans can have to get their hands on tickets for the potential home final is by having an FAI season ticket, which you can purchase on the organisation's website now. For more on this and other stories, visit the Irish Independent.